Hey there again. A quick video today with back-to-back sound recordings of the Sony WF-1000 XM4 against my current TWS sound quality reference, the Sennheiser CX400 BT. The full comparison review brought up some debate about which sounded better, as well as the background music level, with most commenting that they preferred the Sony, although also raising concerns about comfort issues for smaller ears, which I can vouch for given they won't even stay in my girlfriend's ears that aren't particularly small looking. In a nutshell, my take is that the Sennheiser is more convincing and accurate and natural with male vocals, though the upper bass and lower mids can make it sound stuffy against the fresher sounding Sony that makes female vocals sound more lively and forward in the mix, even though it may not have the detail resolution and fast transient response of the Sennheiser and that balanced armature and electrostatic designs are known for. Anyway, as usual, put on your best headphones or earphones and take a listen for yourself. Welcome to GI Chow.
Denim jeans, broken dreams in my pocket. Golden thing round my neck like a locket. Carve your name in my mind, 'cause you caught it. You caught it. You're golden, golden. Honestly, you know it. Me under the street light right there, I'm so I could show you. You're golden, golden. Honestly, you're glowing. Me under the mezzanine, just so that I could show you. You're golden. Yeah, you're golden. You're golden. Yeah, you're golden. Golden.
GI Chow is a world top 10,000 Amazon Vine reviewer building a community searching out high quality at the lowest price. If you're getting value, subscribe or leave a comment below to be a part of it and help us grow. Thanks.
Denim jeans, broken dreams in my pocket. Golden thing round my neck like a locket. Carve your name in my mind, 'cause you caught it. You caught it. You're golden, golden. Honestly, you know it. Me under the street light right there, I'm so I could show you. You're golden, golden. Honestly, you're glowing. Me under the mezzanine, just so that I could show you. You're golden. Yeah, you're golden. You're golden. Yeah, you're golden.
So check out the full review video for the detail, but for now, thanks for watching, and to my subscribers, get involved in the comments below. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye.